Okay, here we go. Day 2, page 1. Start off by solving this equation. We're going to combine like terms. We can't combine like terms across the equal sign. So the only thing we combine are the x, the variables. So 5x and 3x is 8x plus 1 is equal to negative 7. Take care of the constant first. So 8x is equal to negative 8. Divide both sides by the coefficient, so x is equal to negative 1. When I check that, I will put that in, negative 1 in for each x value, then evaluate the left side of the equation, make sure it's equal to negative 7. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5, plus 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, plus 1. If I add those all together, that's negative 8 plus 1. Negative 8 plus 1 is negative 7, so the left side equals the right side, means I did great. Number 2, to find the unit price, always do dollars on top of pounds. That's the dependent variable. The first one, $49 for 40-pound bag is approximately $1.23 per pound. The next one, $23.44 for a 20-pound bag is $1.17 per pound, and the last one, $9.88 for an 8-pound bag is equal to $1.24 per pound. So the Best Buy is that the lowest unit price is that 20-pound bag. Okay, after 3.5 hours, Pasha traveled 217 miles. How far will she travel after 4 hours? I can set up a proportion of miles per hour. So 217 in 3.5 hours is equal to how many miles in 4 hours? Cross multiply to get 3.5x equals 868. Divide both by 3.5. So that means the amount of miles she traveled is 248. You can also do this by finding the unit rate, saying 217 and 3.5 means you're traveling 62 miles per hour. And if you go 62 miles times 4 hours, also comes out to that same answer of 248 miles. The temperature in Alaska on January 10th was negative 8 degrees. On the same day in Florida, the temperature was 72 degrees. How many degrees warmer? So I'll find the difference, which is subtracting 72 minus negative 8. Same thing as 72 plus 8, or 80 degrees warmer. Okay, oops, this one's kind of done already. The last one, our car rental company charges $20 per day plus $2 per mile. Spent $108.50 to rent a car. How many miles did he travel in those 2 days? How many miles? That tells us our variable. So let x equal the number of miles. Since it is $2 per mile, I know that 2 is going to go with x. $20 per day. Now, notice he went Tuesday and Wednesday at $20 per day. That's 2 days. So 20 times 2, because there's 2 days. He spent exactly $108.50. So now I can simplify. 20 times 2 is 40, equals $108.50. Now I can take care of the constant first and get 2x is equal to 68.50. Divide by the coefficient. X is equal to 34.25. That means he traveled 34.25 miles.